Jayson, Sidhu here again, your real estate expert, and today I'm excited to bring you a market update for Fraser Valley Real Estate, April 2021. And in the month of April, both sales and new listings continued at their blistering pace. However, due to a growth in inventory in the month of April, we are starting to see cooling signs in the marketplace. Let's take a closer look. In the month of April, the Fraser Valley Real Estate Board posted 3,016 total sales across all property types. Now this is up 338% compared to April of last year and is actually down 9% when compared to the month of March. Now, it's important to note that sales in April 2020 were significantly restricted due to the pandemic lockdown. Now on the supply side, we saw 5,018 new listings come on the market in April, bringing the total number of homes available for sale across the entire Fraser Valley to 6,030. Now this is an increase of 254% compared to April of last year. And again, it's important to note that new listings in April of 2020 were significantly restricted, of course, due to the pandemic lockdown. Home prices in our market are determined by supply and demand, and we measure supply and demand trends by comparing the inventory of homes available for sale against the total number of sales in a month. We call this the sales to active listings ratio. Today, this ratio in the Fraser Valley across all property types is 50.02%. So recall, anything above 20% is considered a seller's market, a marketplace that favors a seller. So we continue to be in a seller's market, and this number is well north of 20%. The benchmark price for a single family home in the Fraser Valley now stands at $1,293,300, and this is up 30.3% over this time last year. It's remarkable to see this type of growth. It's certainly not sustainable, that's for sure, but you know, record low interest rates, very low inventory, supply and demand, and then frankly, many families seeking to get out of the downtown core and move into the suburban areas really did drive this growth. Again, something we're going to follow very, very carefully. But we see similar upward movement in both the townhouse and condo markets, but very clearly, single family over year, has seen significant growth, again, 30%. So that's your market update for the month of April. And although it remains a very competitive and challenging market for buyers, April really could be the turning point in this historic market. In the last couple of weeks, we've seen evidence of obviously growth in inventory. And we see less offers coming in on homes. Certainly multiple offers have significantly diminished. We're seeing less and less subject-free offers. And all of this is positive signs of a market potentially renormalizing or rebalancing itself. Again, something we're going to follow very, very carefully as we go May, June, and July. And as you're pushing through spring and into summer, if you've got any questions about your home, if you want to put a plan together to navigate through this historic and complex and challenging market, I encourage you to reach out to me. Otherwise, I'll see you next month. Thanks again.